In news back home, residents of Augustown and surrounding communities in St. Andrew are on edge this evening as criminality is again threatening their lives and properties. Several residents staged a protest in the area Sunday to demand an end to the violence. More in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
No more killing! No more killing!
Fearful and frustrated, residents of Hermitage and Augustown made a public stand against the criminality in their communities with a peaceful protest Sunday morning. The message on their placards was clear. They no longer want to live in fear.
We're tired of the killing. We're tired. We're children them afraid to come on the road and play. As my granddaughter here want my shot bus and the bed she run go. She shake, she shiver, she peep herself. We're tired of it. We want back the community. My beg youth them put on them gun. Pull on them gun and take up one Bible. And go and find a church and go. And praise God. Give God the praise. They might take life and then can't give life.
Our children, we don't want our kids to grow up in a violent-torn community anymore. And we want our elderly citizens can retire in peace, right? And enjoy the fruits of their labor. So all of us are here this morning, to send a message, and we're not going to stop.
The police kept watch on the protesters. The security forces and other agents of the state have maintained a fixed presence in Augustown since last year when a zone of special operation was declared in the community.
The criminals would have studied how it is that they work at the checkpoints, so they are now able to manipulate that. So they'll see when there is no vehicle at a checkpoint. They know when they change the shift, when they're changing over the staff, and so they're able to manipulate that and go at different points to do killing.
With criminals trying to outsmart the security forces, residents accept they will have to do their part to get long-lasting peace.
It's not going to just take the police alone or the soldiers. It's going to take everybody, all the different CBOs that we have. The church have to come out and support us. Yes. Everybody has to come on board. And at this point with where we are, because we're seeing innocent people dying, it has to be everybody. It's everybody's business now. So if you're a resident here, if you do business here, if you visit here, it's going to take everybody to come on board to end the violence that is happening. We have to talk up. We have to help the police get the guns. We have to reinstate trust with both the police and the citizens.
Reports are that a man of unsound mind was shot and killed in Goldsmith Villa last night, and the property where he was located set ablaze. It's the latest in a series of shootings in the area that has left residents on edge. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.